to my channel. My name is Liz. If you haven't already noticed, I have some blue painter's tape behind me, which means we are in for a room transformation. I'm going to start by painting this gorgeous fireplace black. I did a little poll on Instagram just a few minutes ago, and 75% of you said go for it. You guys know me. I've been kind of like on this kick of painting things black and transforming things. So anyway, guys, I'm also going to show you how I'm going to restyle this room. I have a few new pieces I want to introduce to you that I think you're going to really love. So if you're interested in seeing this full transformation of this room, then just keep watching this video. Okay guys, so here is the room. If you guys have been following me for a little bit, you would have seen this room gone through various transformations. I should just call this my guinea pig room. So I emptied it out from what it was, and I'm gonna start all over. I'm gonna actually show you guys some new things I've purchased. I already taped up the mantle and the floor, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm still nervous. Even though 75% of you said yes, painted, I'm still a little nervous, and you know, it's just paint, guys. It is just paint. I could always prime it and repaint it white if it is absolutely horrendous. I love to take risks like this in styling and design, so no risk, no rewards. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm going to mix up the paint, and I'm going to paint this, and then we're gonna go through styling it. Guys, so here it is. This is the first coat. I still have to do one more coat, and it's not going to remain shiny. It's just wet right now. The paint I chose is a satin paint, and so it'll dry semi-matte, just a little bit of a luster, but I am loving it. I really think that it is quite a massive change to the room. And so I'm standing here by my door, and this is what you see coming in. So I'm gonna put my artwork up there, restyle the floor. Yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? Okay, you guys, so one of the new things that I wanted to share with you guys that I was able to score are these beautiful mid-century slat rattan sconces. So let me go ahead and show you what these guys look like. So here they are. And you guys can see the slat wood on the inside and the little rattan shade, and they do articulate, so I can move them and point them in whatever direction I just need to put some light bulbs in there. But I absolutely fell in love with these, and I'm so happy to put them up here. I don't know if you guys can see, I have little nails already mounted. So I did my measurements, and these guys are all ready to go. And the reason I'm choosing to put some sconces on there is to just create more light. You want to consider lighting to really illuminate a small space. So using floor lamps, table lamps, and even sconces, they can add so much brightness and really create a mood in your space. So okay, so you guys may remember when I started filming videos in this room, I was totally against carpets. Probably so because we have allergies, and I really don't like a lot of carpeting and rugs, but you know, rugs kind of grew on me when I saw how they really elevate a space. Carpeting is great to just tie in a space. Typically, when you use carpeting, it warms up the space. It really ties in your whole styling. And yes, so I'm gonna roll my carpet in. So guys, the next thing you want to consider for your space is seating. And I've chosen these two beautiful chairs by Levity Home. They've been gifted to me and I am so excited to own them. These chairs are 100% washable, guys. From the pillow inserts all the way around, you can completely lift the cover up and put them in your wash. I have an older dog and she loves to lay and lounge on our chairs. And you know, if you guys have pets, you would totally understand the enormous amount of hair and just overall soiling from pets, that even if she sat on these chairs, I can completely remove them, put them in the washer and put them right back on as if nothing even happened. So you can keep your chairs nice and fresh. So I really love also the comfort of these chairs. And when I chose these chairs, I knew that they would fit perfectly in this space. I felt like classic chairs really just embrace a small little space here. It keeps the mood intimate, especially right by the fireplace. And now that I painted the fireplace black, I really just love the contrast. The next thing that you want to consider when you are styling your space is to think of a table, either a coffee table or end tables. And being that this room is really small and intimate, I thought that a coffee table would probably be a little too big and clunky for the space. Considering I have the classic chairs, they take up most of the space in this room. I've chosen to use some end tables, and I am proud to share with you, this is a very new purchase to me, and I'm so happy to have them in my home. They are vintage mid-century burlwood end tables. I'm going to bring them out, and I'm going to style them in the space. So here is one of the burlwood mid-century cube tables, and I placed the other one here on this corner, and I think that it looks really cool. Okay, you guys, you can probably already see what is missing in this entire room. I'm gonna give you a second to just think about what could be missing. Home decor. This is my favorite part, so I'm going to pull some things from my house. You want to consider vases, books, statues, sculptures, things that you are excited about, things that will bring your room to life, personalized things. And I already have sort of an idea of what I'm going to place in this space. I want to keep it still minimal and chic, and so I'm going to go ahead, pull my things, and style the mantle. I'm going to maybe put some things in the middle of the tables here. I'm not quite certain yet, but let me get on it and start. So to complete the mantle, I added this little primitive wood bowl here, a vintage candle holder, and the twisty candle I actually made on my IGTV. So if you haven't had a chance to see how to make these fun twisty candles, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Go through my IGTV, the video will be placed there. And so guys, this is me. This is exactly how I like it, how I love it. You guys may add mirrors and taller things and more things, and that's fine, that's totally fine, but this is how I really love it. It resonates with me. It makes me happy.